Hello and welcome to today's Daily Trade Watch, brought to you by the Live Trade Room. So today now is Tuesday the 17th of July. So without further ado, and what we look to do during this session is to just present some high probability trading opportunities for the day ahead. So just before we begin, if we could just draw your attention to our risk warning, please do familiarize yourselves with the risks involved in trading these financial markets. Okay, so let's get straight into the charts and we'll discuss some high probability trading opportunities for the day ahead. So we'll bring up our trading platform, and really we've identified a little bit of European strength coming into the markets today. So as of yesterday, we were looking for European strength against the dollar and also the yen, and that theme actually continues again today. Now, the opportunities today are kind of few and far between. There's a lot of we prefer when we trade the markets to trade the trend going with the direction of the overall market, and today we're getting some counter trend moves pretty much across the board. So we are, as a result, those market conditions are a little bit mixed, so we do want to exercise a little bit of caution today potentially. However, the first example is looking for an opportunity to buy the euro dollar above the 17.26. So what we're seeing is this a series of higher lows now, and we'll see now if we get to break the 1780 level somewhere around up here, and if we get to break the 1800 plus, and a structural break of, I'll just make a note of the actual level, the 1852 is a bit of a well, it's not a little bit, it's a pretty significant structural failure to the upside. So then we wouldn't be looking to sell above this level. But at the moment, we are potentially looking for this market to continue lower as an overall trend and go with that trend. Obviously, this is a bit of a reversal trade where we're just bouncing off these lows. So we're getting a bit of European strength coming to the market. So we're trading it on a short-term basis. So with that in mind, we can go into the 15-minute time frame, and we've just had the little bounce back to the 17.26. So we're looking for opportunities to buy in and around that level. And when we go back to the, if you identify these levels and you see the market come back really strongly like it did, and then there's a structural failure to the upside, getting in anywhere around this level, the 17.28, we're only at the 17.30, 32 as we speak. So it could still represent a good opportunity, and we would expect the euro dollar to push higher. However, the size of that push, we're a little bit unclear because it seems to be, and if we just zoom out here, you can see what I mean. It seems to go through periods of so-called consolidation, and then you get a big strong move, and then you get consolidation followed by a big strong move again. So you do have to be very, very patient with these markets. But that's the first trade. And the second one is actually sticking with the euro and the yen weakness. Now, there's a lot of debate out there at the moment as to whether which currency is weaker. Is it the dollar? Is it the yen? So that's why we're looking to actually focus on European strength and see if we get a little bit of more strength coming into the market. Even against the euro pound, it is considerably stronger. So so that's the focus for the day, is just focusing on a little bit of short-term European strength. We don't think it will last for long, but we would anticipate these markets to continue higher. So with the euro yen, we're looking for now opportunities to buy this market above the 131.75. So again, we've had the pullback to that level. We're not too far away from a pip perspective, buying these highs, or even waiting for the next pullback to get into the long side. But as you can see, this market is moving from bottom left to top right. So we're currently in a bit of an uptrend on a smaller term time frame. So and that would be the trade plan for certainly the European session, and you would need to reassess things for the US session. Okay, so that just about concludes then. We've looked at many other markets. There's a lot of contradicting price action out there. The commodity markets are sort of being held up at the lows, and there's a bit of indecision in the equity space as well. So so that is basically today's daily trade watch. So if you would like to connect with us, please do so on our YouTube channel, and also through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. The details are there up on screen. Okay, so all that's left for me to do now is thank you very much, as always, for joining us. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you next time. For everyone here, bye for now.